tried to run my life a lot of times, and it did just lead me um, to a life of emptiness and just a life of sin. And I'm enslaved by that sin because I didn't allow God to enter my life, and that's not God intended us to how intended us to live. That's not how He wants us to live. Excuse me, I'm just okay. The next thing that God wants us to do is to accept God's righteousness and reject anything not compatible with it. We should try to build a deep and personal relationship with God. Be intimate with Him. You know what? By just continuing this Christian Life program that you guys are attending right now, you'll be able to have have a deep and personal relationship with Him at the end of this, and that will really help you to. And we are here at SFC to guide you, to encourage you more to serve Him, to finish this Christian Life program. Because the same thing with us, we had this RCLP also before, and we've gone through a lot, and we've finished it, and we are proud to say that we have this deep and personal relationship with God, and no matter what happens, we know that He's just there. He will never abandon us. And the next one is we should try to be honest to yourself. Admit that you are a sinner. Okay, one example. I'm gonna give an example for this. Okay, just say for example, Pat. Oh, I'm Pat. I went to a club last night. Yeah. I met this hot chick, Lara. And we had this one night stand. It was good. But I think I didn't commit a sin. Because everybody's doing it. Everybody's doing that. So it's part of life. I have to go through that. I'm still young. Do you think he tried to be honest to himself? Yeah, if you continue doing that, then you're lying to yourself. We should try to admit that we've committed a sin against God. We have to do that. And the next one is we should exercise humility. When you say humility, an example again. The same example, like Pat. Yeah, he went to the club. I went to the club. Yeah. I met this chick. Hot chick, Lara. And then we had this one night stand. But I committed a sin. But I can change it on my own strength. I can change this. I don't need anybody's help. I can change my old ways. Is he showing humility? No. Brothers and sisters, to exercise humility, be willing to accept God's help. We should be willing to accept God's help. Because we cannot do it on our own strength. Do you agree with that? Lara, I'll check. I'm just using their names, it's not really them. It's a different Pat than Lara. The next one is we should renounce sin. Okay, renounce sin. How do we do that? We should actively turn away from sin and make a firm decision not to do it again. Mm. A good example for this is, um, you know how guys, this is the truth though about guys. Guys are very visual people. You get what I mean? No, not yet. Need me to explain it? Okay, if a naked lady passes by in front of you, a guy would just think of a lot of things inside of his head. And it will lead to one thing to the other. I'm sorry for the word, but guys can easily get aroused. Yeah, that's not bad, right? Yeah. Aroused. For example, Pat's watching TV. He's browsing the channel, and then he saw at the bottom corner, oh, TVMA Special Edition. Oh, TVMA. What's that? TVMA. Is it an adult channel? Why did I know that? Okay. He stopped browsing the channel. He saw a beautiful chick, hot chick, like Clara. And then there's like he didn't change the channel. He saw a sex scene of the hot chick. Also named Clara. And then he watched it for 2 hours. And the credits of the cast is showing now. But he has DVR. So he rewind to his favorite part. And then he turned it off. After he watched it, he started thinking of nasty things inside his head. He became this H word guy. Okay. And he started thinking about it. And then he remembered, oh, I have a girlfriend. I have to go to her. I want to have a premarital sex with my girlfriend. Not you. My girlfriend is Belair. Not her. They have the same name. Yeah. Okay, brothers and sisters, my point here the point of this example, the renouncing of sin, is it says here that we should actively turn away from sin and make a firm decision not to do it again. So, in order for us to make the effort, because God promised us He's going to help us, right?